everyone, welcome to my channel guys, and in this video we have AKB's, our very own Indian dentist rapper's new song. This song is called Scary Love. So this is produced by K28, I hope that's how it's pronounced, or K28. I don't want to delay this any further. The description says, I am scared to love because I'm already in love with a few things that I'm scared to lose. Interesting. So yeah, let's not delay this any further. Let's listen to the song right away. Oh, that's a great shot. The videos keep getting better and better.
This is 28.
Yeah. You know I'm gonna tear this one up, right? Yeah.
Oh, this car is interesting. Let's get it.
Hit up the club, I'm just like a dog, let's tear it up. I'm in the booth, not scared of the truth, let's tear it up. I'll marry the game again and again, and it's scary love. I'm scared of love. I'm scared of love, cause I'm already in love with two things, my wife and my music. I can't imagine if I lose it, I'll lose myself. I don't know what I do with myself. How can I ever live with myself without the ones that made me who I am? I learned so much from you. I am grateful to be your husband and to have you as my wife. Ever since you entered, baby, you seem to have changed my life. With you everything's alright. Please, baby, let's never fight. I love you more than anything. Without you, there's no life.
Whoa.
Hit up the club, I'm just like a dog, let's tear it up. I'm in the booth, not scared of the truth, let's tear it up.
This flute sound, that's very interesting. I don't know if it's flute or something else.
I'm scared of love, cause I'm already in love with toothaches. I can magically make them disappear. I'm scared of love, cause I'm already in love with toothaches. I can magically make them disappear. My career took away my tears, so I used this gift to take away the fear from little kids scared of white coats and needles. Look kids, your dentist is not so evil. I just want you to speak right, eat right, smile bright and grow up with happy teeth. Bon appetit, this ain't for the weak, you know. I've been saying this all year. I'm in love with my career, and my rap blazing fire. When's he gonna be tired? He get what he desires. Always getting higher. Hit up the club, I'm just like a thug, let's tear it up.
Oh, this is a vibe.
I'm in the booth, not scared of the truth, let's tear it up. I'll marry the game again and again, and it's scary love. I'm scared of love. I'm scared of love, cause I'm already in love with a few things that I'm scared to lose. I give my love, all my love to you. If I don't have you, then I'm AK who? B for ballin', I'm on the floor, crying, I'm crawling, not lying. On my back, am I dying? If I lose you, is it worth living? Should I love more? It's a scary feeling. What if I'm having a child, man? That would be wild. And I give it my love, all the love it deserves. Promise me and my girl will show you this world. And we be the best parents and be your best friends. If you stay by my side till I die, then my life just makes sense. Hit up the club, I'm just like a dog, let's tear it up. I'm in the booth, not scared of the truth, let's tear it up. I'll marry the game again and again, and it's scary love. I'm scared of love.
This is 28.
Oh, that was nice. Let me stop this. I just love how whenever he raps about his wife, it's just so much filled with love. And I don't know, there's a different sense of vibe when he's doing, or when he's dedicating all the raps to his wife. So that was really nice. So scary love. I think when you love something, the messaging of the song, that when you really love something, you're always scared to lose it because it's so close to your heart. But then there is also a saying, if you love something, then let it go, and if it'll come back to you, if it's true love or something like that. People say it, right? So but we are all human, so that way the relatability factor of the lyrics, I can completely understand where he's coming from. That okay, I love my wife, the two things that I love the most, my wife and my music. Then he goes into the career. and he's very happy. So the one thing which, the song name is Scary Love, but the one thing which you kind of sense from the song is also that he's very content with his life. He loves his life, and I like when you get songs where there is a lot of positivity and happiness. That, you know what, I have one thing is specifically with hip hop. One thing is that, you flex, right? This is also, in a way, I would say, really not flex, but in a way he's really flexing his life, that he's very very happy and contented with it. But he's also, there's this human side to him, as obviously, that because he is so much in love with his life, he's scared to lose these all of these amazing things that are part of his life. So I wouldn't really categorize it as flex, because there is obviously, in flex songs, you are just talking about everything that is great about your life, right? But you are never putting that angle that, I fear that if I lose it, I probably will have nothing. But in a flex song, it's particularly flex. I have this, I have that, I have this, I have that. I don't care about haters, this, then, and all of those things. That's like the generic template of a flex song. But here he has put a different spin to it, which I like. And yes, I am still waiting, AKB, for. I feel so bad. Oh, I feel so bad. I never got the chance to react to Tane Huche. You would have. I mean, I feel bad that, AKB, you would have really seen me jumping and hooting and screaming on that song, because I listen to that song a lot. It's one of my favorite song of yours. And I don't know when it's gonna happen, but I know it'll happen. But waiting for another Gujarati rap song. Yes, but this was, and I can I just say, K28, K28, he made the beat very very vibey. I was particularly in this song, the standout was the hook. I really like the hook of this song. It was really nice, and the video is also very very beautiful. It's shot really well. I loved whoever arranged that car. Props. I don't know where you found that car, but I think it added a really nice rustic value, because again a different spin. Because when you see hip hop songs, specifically the flex songs, you see these amazing, beautiful cars, and they are all shiny, blingy, and that's because you can own it. That's a flex. But you will see here the car is so vintage and not in a great condition. So again, a different spin to it. That was nice. That was a good touch. So yeah, that was the reaction to Scary Love by AKB, our very own Indian dentist rapper. Keep making songs, keep your hustle, and you're doing really really well. And onwards and upwards always. Yeah, that was the reaction. Those were my thoughts. I'm gonna sign off now, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.